Hi, simple learners. We're going to make a magic towel. So let's get started. So I made this right here. So I'm going to... We must drop it in warm water. 3, 2, 1, 0. Is it working? It's melting. Wait a few minutes. We'll be right back with the finished results. Can you guess what character is going to be? Let's find out.